Unlocking the meaning of job site in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, job site. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. So stay tuned as we dive deep into understanding what job site really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Job site is a compound noun made up of two words, job and site. Let's break them down. Job. This refers to the work that someone does to earn money. It could be anything from being a teacher, a doctor, to a construction worker. Site. This is a place or location. When we combine these two words, we get a job site, which generally refers to a location where work is being done. It is often used in the context of construction, but it can also refer to any place where people are actively working. To help you better understand how to use job site in sentences, let's look at some examples. 1. The workers arrive at the job site early in the morning to start their day. 2. Here, job site refers to the location where the workers are performing their duties. 3. Please make sure to wear your safety helmet when you visit the job site. 4. In this sentence, job site is used to talk about a place that may have potential hazards, highlighting the importance of safety precautions. 5. The manager scheduled a meeting at the job site to discuss the project's progress. 6. This example shows that a job site can also be a spot for meetings and discussions related to work. Job sites can vary greatly depending on the industry and the nature of the work being done. Here are a few examples. Construction job site. This is probably the most common type of job site that comes to mind. It's where buildings, roads, or other structures are being built or repaired. Office job site. This can refer to an office where people work on computers, have meetings, and perform other office-related tasks. Remote job site. With the rise of digital technology, a job site can also be a virtual space where people work from different locations. And that wraps up our discussion on job site. We hope that this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, English is a vast and fascinating language, and there's always something new to learn. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.